Hello everyone, welcome to your all-time favorite YouTube channel, Blissful Experience. Today I'm going to showcase my Bojo setup. So let's get ready to plan with me. As you can see, I have already erased the rough sketches and now I am drawing all the things with black gel ink, and it is so as you can see I have already erased the part of the rough sketches and now I am drawing all the parts with black gel ink. So for this month of May I have chosen to explore this theme which is all about Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha, who is known for his wonderful teachings. And in this May, on the full moon, we celebrate Lord Buddha's birthday as Buddha Purnima. So I thought, why not? I should do something with this theme. So as you can see, I have wrote all the coatings and I'm mixing here two of the colors and writing the month's name. So this is the hand of Gautam Buddha and he is holding a flower which is named lotus in India. So yes, this is our national flower and I'm so happy to draw it like this. Of course the images are taken from the internet. I have chosen to draw them, and yeah, as you can see I'm coloring them. This coloring part seems very therapeutic for me. It's literally gives me so much joy, happiness, and my inner child is literally very happy because from the childhood I always wanted to be an artist but I couldn't. But now I let myself explore this type of a thing so that my creativity flows. I don't judge myself. Whatever I'm doing, I know I'm the best. So yes, I'm literally very proud of me. So now I'm highlighting the parts of the everything. I'm just highlighting the part, and I forgot to shoot the calendar part, but it's okay, right? This is the final look. I'm going to hide this stain from the other page and you are going to see this at the last of this video. And now I am into the second page where I am coloring the Lord Buddha's idol, and it's very cute. I found so many cute pictures of him and literally had so much fun, so much happiness while I was doing this. I think his blessings are with me. Now I am outlining the parts of his body and the lights are going and coming. I don't know what's happening, but I am having fun. That's the thing. Please manage, right? And now I am adding details and now I'm coloring the lotus petals. I found it literally very peaceful. Like, look how it is to be so peaceful in the meditation zone. It is the actual thing. Like, when you are meditating, it is supposed to give you peace, it is supposed to give you positivity, it is supposed to give you happiness. And if you are feeling the opposite of it, you are not meditating. So yes, also you are going to see lot more positive things in my bullet journals or scrapbooks or whatever journals I make, because I'm all about this type of a thing. And I make sure I add loads of self-care techniques or self-love techniques or whatsoever it is supposed to help me grow or help me to know myself even more better. So it's kind of a spiritual bojo that helps me grow spiritually, and also it helps me in manifestations. I also get to know the ideas that what I am exploring in this month, and it's very useful. Like, you can add whatever you are working on right now. Like if you are a student, you can make a student pujo where you are going to add what you are studying, what is your goals and desires about your studies, all of that, and as you know, I am interested in these things, so my pujo is like something which is all about manifestations or task I'm performing or self-love, self-care, everything regarding my present life. So yes, I enjoy this part of journaling so much because I can track everything I'm doing and I'm super proud of myself at the end of the month. So yes, also in this month I am focusing on mental peace and money, so I have added affirmations according to it. I also make sure I read those affirmations every single day. Yeah, and now I am putting all the names like shopping list, bucket list, wish list, to-do list and goals. I'm going to fill it up with some privacy, of course. And yeah, that's how it is. Let me know how you like it, and if you have any advices that I can follow, let me know that too. I'm not promoting the Dome's pastel colors, but I literally love the pastel colors more than the original colors, normal colors. I am also exploring the mandalas because it is a sacred practice in spirituality. This practices helps in spirituality, so I've added some of the mandalas. I'm not thoroughly working on it, but yeah, some sort of mandalas you can see. I got to know about the Noble Eightfold Paths, so I tried to find out some sort of pictures on the internet, and I found a lot more. So I tried to make an initial of it, and it turned out so well, so pretty. Just watch for it. And yeah, I am my own cheerleader. I hype myself because if I'm not going to do this, then who is going to do that, no? So yes, I am really very happy with this month's bujo because it turned out really very well, really very pretty. And yes, now I'm highlighting the parts of Eightfold Learning. I'm sorry that I could not shoot the upper part because I was too much into it whatsoever. This turned out very pretty, isn't it? Let me tell you a story that this lotus I am coloring right now, it's not supposed to be colored. It is supposed to be in my mood tracker. Like I should have colored it on the days, but literally I forgot about it and I colored all of that in the flow, and it's okay. Sometimes it is good to be on the flow, no? So yes, and these pictures I'm drawing all are collected from the universe somehow or the other. And yes, I'm not a professional artist, as you all know. I just try my level best to make myself happy and my inner child happy. So yes, I skipped that page because of something, and now I am on the other page. Now I'm drawing the most cutest Gautam Buddha. It is giving anime vibe, I think. I also make scrapbooks and junk journaling, so I'm running out of ideas. If you can help me with ideas, I will be very very happy. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any ideas. Yeah, advance thank you. If you're new to this channel, I wanna tell you that I make videos on law of attraction, law of assumption, meditation, self-love, spirituality, healing, everything you're going to see in my description if you want to. Like, if you have interest in that as well, you may like my channel, and that's why I am requesting you to just watch some of my videos, and maybe you will like it. So yes, thank you. And now I am adding mandalas. This page is going to be very simple because it is all about habit tracker. So I'm just adding some mandalas, that's all. We are almost at the end of this video, so please bear with me. I will suggest you to buy a good bullet journal with some extra money, because Bound and Found gives you in cheap price, but it's very bleeds, it doesn't helps at all. So yes, you can see the pages, like it almost gives that whatever. I don't know how to make you understand this. You can see yourself. I am almost done. This is what I was talking about. This pages literally bleeds, and it makes me feel but it's okay, don't buy Bound and Found. This is the reason that I'm using metallic color to color his hair, and it turned out very good. Whatever they say, jo hota hai achhe ke liye, it's like that only. And it's complete. I'm done with these pages, and now we are almost at the end. I would like you to like this video if you did, and if you are new to here, please subscribe my channel and help me if grow. You're interested in law of attraction, manifestation, self-love, healing, and everything that I make, please subscribe to my channel and you will be helpful. Now let's flip through these pages. Let me know how you like it. Comment and subscribe.